Hello, we are back from a well deserved break, and I hope everyone else had a good break as well. Today, we have got a very interesting recipe for you that many of y'all has not heard of, which is pumpkin herbs with dry shrooms. To start off with, I've got my pumpkin herbs from my garden, which is growing very, very well with all the rain that we had. I planted my seed last year in late August, and now my pumpkins are just appearing, and maybe in the month of April I will get lovely pumpkins. But in the meantime, I think this is about the fourth time we are eating the herbs from the garden. So here's my herbs that I cleaned, washed and cut, and we will link the video of the cleaning, which was a plain pumpkin herbs curry that we cooked. This is about 1.5 bunch of herbs if you are buying it from the store. My rest of the ingredients are, I have 1/2 cup oil, 1 medium size of onions, 2 tomatoes, a level teaspoon of salt for tasting, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seed, 3 or 4 green chillies that are also cut from my garden, and 3 dry chilies that's also from my garden. When my chilies get ripe, and I dry them thoroughly and use it as dry chilies. And I also got about 12 cloves of garlic that are cut into halves. They're quite small garlic, but they're very strong. And this is my dry shroom, that is 50 grams. I'm going to add boiling water to it so I can just pick up the little shells that be left over, but these seem to be very clean. So I'll soak this in my boiling water and take out whatever remaining shells. I've got my boiled water. I'm just going to pour over my shrooms, and I'll allow this to soak for about 10 minutes. Here's my shrooms that I put to soak for 10 minutes. I cleaned whatever shell was here and there. Other than that, it was quite clean. And now I just got it out of the water, and I just dry it up with my paper towel. Firstly, I'm going to start off by frying my shrooms. I've got my stove on moderate heat. I'm just going to add in my oil. So to my oil, I'm going to add in my shrooms. I'll allow this to fry out just a little. My shrooms has changed color to light brown, so I'm just going to remove them quickly. To the same oil, I'm going to start braising my herbs. I'm going to add in my onions to fry. My onions has gone soft. I'm going to put in my garlic and give this a few seconds to fry. I'm also going to add in my dry chilies. Now I'm just going to add in my mustard seed and wait till it pop. And then my green chilies. To this I'm going to add in my herbs. I'm just going to lower my heat and allow this to cook. My herbs is almost half done, so I'm just going to add in my tomatoes to also cook, and also my salt. I give this a good mix and allow the tomato to cook. Before my herbs get cooked out completely, I'm going to add in my shrimps to it, so this can also cook with my herbs. Now my herbs is fully cooked and my shrimps is gone a little soft. Now I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely pumpkin herbs made with some nice dry shrimps. Served with some nice hot roti on the side, and you can also have some dal with it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.